It's cold. I sold my ring.
Oh, nice.
I sold my ring today in a pawn shop on a Tuesday. $100 in my pocket and a smile on my face. I sold my ring today on a warm Texas evening. As the pawn shop closes, I am moving on with my life. It's bad. 2 grams of gold and a 10-carat stone felt too heavy in my pocket for too long. I've heard a voice inside as I saw the open sign. Would have taken $50 just to get out of this town. Louisiana.